Hi everyone, welcome back to a small engineer tutorial. Today we have this Vtech with the comms engine. So today I'm going to show you how to easily replace the oil seal on the crankcase with my removal tool innovation. This removal tool innovation is not available here in the market, and you won't be able to see this in the market. And I'm sure that every home mechanics wish to have one of these. You can watch my video how to make one of these yourself. Very easy. And let's get started. So the problem with this one, see it's leaking oil underneath behind this blade carrier on the crankcase. So let's remove this blade. Let's remove this bolt, and we'll have to remove this blade. We clean the inside. We'll drain the fuel and also the oil first. And let's do that. Was very tight. Okay, so here we have a puller, so with the 3 jaws and also with the 2 jaws. So you can use this one if you can't access the bushing with using the 3 jaws. So with this one I'm going to use this one with this. So in order to pull the bushing, you need to place a bolt on the middle. Okay, so we have to be careful not to lose the key. So the key is still inside here. So to make sure that we need to clean any rust on the shaft before removing the oil seal or before installing the new one. So using an electric wire brush, you just So the original oil seal is an SB type oil seal with nitrile rubber, and we don't have the part number for this one. And just to get the replacement oil seal, is what you're going to do is just measure the diameter of the shaft, which is 25.4, or this is 1 inch, and also the diameter of the bore, so which is the same diameter of the oil seal. So measure the oil seal, it's roughly 38.1, which is 1.5 inches. So you get a replacement here. This one is a TC type. It has a double lip. It has a lip on the front, and also there's a lip at the back, which has a spring around it. So the difference between the SB type has a metal casing around it, while the TC has a metal also, but it's inside the rubber. So the SB only have one lip at the back, while the TC has two lips. So, which actually this is used most of the Briggs and Stratton engine oil seal, and this is exactly the same dimension, and this one should fit straight into the shaft. So we'll fit this one in with the multi-purpose grease. So using a pipe cobbler, okay, install the bushing. Thanks for watching our video repair tutorial for today. I hope you found it useful. See how easy to remove and install an oil seal using our oil seal removal tool. If you wish to make one yourself, you can watch my other video on how to build one of these. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And see you next time. Bye for now.